I welcome you from System Hash. In this video, I will tell you how to turn off unnecessary radios like NFC, Bluetooth, nearby sharing and data connection on mobile phones to extend the battery life. First of all, I will show a video and then will guide you to turn off radios in Android 12 phones with step-by-step instructions. Let's start with a video. Now I will guide you with step-by-step instructions. Press the settings screen icon on the home screen to open up the settings screen. At the settings screen, press the connections feature. It will take you to the connections screen. At the connections screen, see the Bluetooth is turned on and its button is blue. Press the button of Bluetooth and it will be turned off and its color will change to gray. Immediately below Bluetooth, see the NFC and contactless payments button is also blue and this is currently turned on. Press the NFC and contactless payments button and this will be turned off. At the bottom of the screen, press the More Connections settings. At the More Connections screen, see the nearby device scanning is turned on. Press the nearby device scanning to turn it off. Now, back on the home screen, I will tell you a shortcut to turn off the radios. Press the status bar and drag it downward. It will be opened up with all its buttons. See if the Bluetooth button is turned on. Press the blue icon of Bluetooth to turn it off. Similarly, see the mobile data is also on. Turn the mobile data to turn it off. All the discrete features will extend the battery life to many hours. For more videos, subscribe to us.